That is the buy and hold strategy complete. You built the full algorithm from scratch. You set the start date, the end date, the cache, and the brokerage model. You added SPY as your asset. You wrote the initialize method and the onData method. The strategy itself is simple: buy once, hold forever. OnData runs every bar. It checks if you already own SPY. If you do, it stops. If you do not, it places one market order for 100 shares. After that first order fills, the check always returns true. The order line never runs again. You backtested it, you read the results. You compared your algorithm's equity curve to the benchmark. Buy and hold is not a complicated strategy, but building it correctly teaches you something important. You now know how the four configuration methods work together. You know how initialize sets the stage. You know how OnData controls what happens on every bar. That is a complete algorithm, not a template, not a demo. A real working strategy built by you. Next, the SMA crossover strategy, a step up, two indicators, a buy signal, a sell signal, more logic and OnData, same structure underneath. You are ready for it.